Hey guys, come couponing with me this week at Walmart. We have so many amazing deals that we can do using only our phone. I think I'm only using like 3 different rebate apps today, so definitely easy deals that anybody can do. I'm also completing my big bonus today. I'm so excited. So the 2 bonuses I'm completing, I have a midweek bonus I only need a couple more rebates for, plus my Rock Your Rewards bonus as well. I am so close, so I want to make sure that I complete that in today's video. Let me know if you guys are completing yours, how it's going. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear when you guys are winning and getting super good deals. Plus, if there's any freebies that I miss or cheap deals or anything like that, please feel free to share them in the comments so we can all make sure that we're scoring the best deals possible, because you never know who might need those products. Below for you in the description box is a printable breakdown with some of the deals. I am going to be doing some extra deals in the video as well that I did not list in the printable breakdown, so definitely just make sure that you watch the video for all the best details. And if you're new to my channel, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my channel. Help me reach my goal of 100,000 YouTube subscribers. That has been my goal ever since I started my channel back in 2019. So I've been doing this almost 7 years. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you are a returning user. I absolutely love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Let's head over to Walmart now and take advantage of these great deals and money makers.
There's quite a few deals for macaroni and cheese, so we're gonna start with the food deals. What we're gonna do is grab 2 of the macaroni. They're $1 each. You're gonna submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 2. Makes your final cost 75 cents a piece. Next deal is on Annie's. So this one is $1.44 each. You're gonna grab 2. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2. Makes your final cost 94 cents a piece. The next food deal is on this Dannon whole milk yogurt for $3.24. Submit over to Ibotta for $1 cash back. Makes your final cost $2.24. Next is a repeat deal on these Silk Kids with protein. These are $4.67. You can grab up to 3. Submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back each. Makes them $1.67. Next, I'm so excited my store restocked the Dannon Fit has to be the birthday cake flavor at $1.22. Submit to Ibotta, you'll get 50 cents back. This will be my second Dannon rebate, so I'm gonna get $1 bonus as well, which is gonna make this one free and like a 28-cent moneymaker. Next, we have a nice freebie with the Aisle app. So they're offering a freebie on the Little Brainiac. So you can grab one, submit your receipt. You're just gonna text it in. They're gonna give you the full amount back of $2.28. So I think I'm gonna grab Peach Apple Oat and see if my Budge loves it. Next deal is a repeat deal. I've been doing it for the past couple weeks. My son is loving it. It's on the Bear Light, has to be the fruit punch flavor for $3.46. The text Aisle app is giving $2 off or $2 back. Plus Ibotta has a $1.25 rebate. That's gonna make one of these 22 cents. Next is a repeat deal that I'm gonna be doing again on the Persil because we're grabbing them for $1.97 a piece. You cannot beat that. I'm gonna grab 5 of these Persil here that are $5.44. Submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back each. Then you're gonna grab one of these Persil packs, has to be the Activewear Clean for $5.44 as well. There's a separate rebate on Ibotta for $2 cash back. So we have 5 liquids and 1 pack, total is $32.64. Then submit to Fetch Rewards. I have a bonus for $3.80 back when you spend $30. That's gonna make your final cost $1.97 a piece, which I personally think is a steal, so I'm grabbing this. Definitely check your clearance section. So this is its own section that has a lot of the water toys and stuff. A lot of the pool floats are 75% off. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple myself just to restock for next year. But they also have some toys here that are on clearance, pretty significantly discounted. So this one was $30, so it's almost 50% off. They also have some little fur reel pups down here. So keep in mind of any like birthdays coming up, Christmas gifts, anything like that. Kinetic sand I think is so cool. This one is $12. It was almost $20. This one's really cool too. Monster Jam. It's 25% off. Then they have some little things down here. Oh my gosh, Disney Princess, so cute. So definitely check this section. But a lot of these are so cheap. This is $5. It was $9. This is $7. It was $22 for some reason.
So now what we're gonna do is submit our receipt. So some of the deals I showed you guys in the video, I don't necessarily wind up doing every single deal. If it's not a deal that I personally need, or like the food, if I'm not gonna actually eat that product, I'm not gonna get it because I don't wanna waste it. So I wound up grabbing, sorry you guys can't really see this. Anyway, grabbed the Priscilla and everything, the mac and cheese, the Barrelite. My total was $46.76 out of pocket, including taxes. So then I submitted my receipt over to Ibotta, got back $20.25. For Ibotta, you can cash out once you hit $20. So you should immediately be cashing out all of this money back to your bank account or back to your PayPal. I don't recommend doing the gift cards because you want the actual money back. That way you can use it for whatever you want. So I personally link my bank account and then I just do it that way. Plus, I'm getting the dollar bonus for the Dannon, $5 midweek bonus, and I got my $10 Rock Your Rewards bonus. I don't know why the date on that is 9/2. Obviously, it's not 9/2 today, but whatever. It still works. I got my money back. Then I submitted to the Aisle rebate app. So you're texting in a photo like to different like numbers. It's kind of a weird app, to be honest with you. I don't use it very often, but I got the freebie, so I got $2.28 back plus the $2 back on the Barrelite. Then I submitted to Fetch Rewards. I got back $4.10. So we got an additional 30 cents back on the Annie's, which is really nice. So that made that deal a little bit better. So now that we are home, I'm going to switch over and we are going to enter in all the information in my digital budget spreadsheet so we can see what our final cash cost is today and how big of a moneymaker it is. All right, this is my digital budget spreadsheet. So we are going to put in the date and the store. Retail on this was $46.76 including tax. So I paid that out of pocket. Rewards, there's no rewards, no gift cards. Total cash back, we're gonna add up everything from Ibotta, Aisle, and Fetch, and then we're gonna add it into that column there. So let me add. We got $44.63 back and then no rewards back. Okay, so it's not a cash moneymaker, but that's okay. My final cash cost for almost $50 worth of products was $2.13, which I'm really happy with. If I didn't do the Persil deal, I didn't need that many rebates. It would have obviously been a moneymaker, like $14 or something like that, but I would rather use that money towards a really good deal, and then obviously I can resell it and make the money that way. So we saved 95% today at Walmart using only our phone. That's so exciting. I did wind up snagging a couple of the clearance deals too because they were 75% off. That's about when I start shopping for spring and summer products and pool things for the next year. So in total, so far in September, I've saved $677.90 using only my phone. Next week, I have a CVS haul and a Walgreens haul that I'm going to do. I only have $23.31 that I can pay out of pocket. So I really got to make sure that I'm on point with my deals and arranging my transactions the right way. But when I tell you guys that you can easily save 75% or more, I'm serious. Look at my average percentage saved. From all of these hauls, look at all the different hauls. $804 worth of products, I'm saving on average 84%. That's all the laundry products, the paper products, the bags and boxes of diapers, the baby wipes, everything that I've gotten for my family, and then obviously I do additional couponing too to resell. I've saved 84%. So it is definitely possible to save 75% in your first 30 days. Just got to make sure you're doing the right deals, you're staying consistent, you're focusing on a low out-of-pocket cost, and then obviously you're tracking your spending. So if you guys want to download my digital budget spreadsheet, you can just go to my website or it'll be linked below in the products on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you get some amazing deals. Let me know when you finish your bonuses, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.